Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. We're here in Blacksburg, Virginia at the Courtyard by Marriott. And we're going to give you a tour of the hotel and the room. And one of the first things that I notice out here is they have spaces for the rechargeable cars here. And we see a Tesla Model S parked right there, and it's plugged in, and there's some sort of Ford, I'm not really familiar with that one, plugged in, charging up. Take a walk through the lobby. So this is our king room here at the Courtyard Marriott, and start with the basic safety features as always. We have the peephole, we have the map, and we're on the 3rd floor. We're normally on the 4th floor, but or the top floor, but they gave us the 3rd floor, so we decided to stick with it. This is where we are. The elevator is here, I guess. And there's a vending room here. It's under renovation, so we had to go to a different floor if we want vending. Checkout time is noon. Maximum room rate is $3.99. We paid 1/4 of that. And there's a warning: do not leave children unattended in guest room. Always close and lock all doors and windows when leaving a room. We have an electronic deadbolt, safety latch, and we're going to move right on to the room. This is the most well-lit hotel room we've ever had. I'm always complaining about the lack of light. This room is very well lit. Right here we have a little coffee bar. This is, I'm not exactly sure what the deal is with this coffee maker. It seems to be missing something. Oh no, I just turned it on. I'll have to work on that tomorrow and figure out how that works. Actually, I think this little tray here or something slides into there, and you just put the cup underneath it and it makes the coffee. We have an ice bucket. It's got a little protective liner in it. These are actually glasses, and they're wrapped sparkling clean, so that means that they didn't clean them with Pledge like some hotels do. We have a microwave, and it's a relatively basic microwave, but it's a motel room, so that should do the job. If you just wanted to defrost or cook something, you just put it in there and set the timer. The turntable's on its track, and it's clean. We have we have a refrigerator, and it's stocked with Gatorade that's all falling all over the floor. But the refrigerator's cold. Right over here we have a full-length mirror, thermostat on the wall for the air conditioning. We have an unusual piece of art here. I can't say we've ever had anything like that at any other hotel we've stayed at. And your housekeeper has been Estefana. And I guess this is to put the tip in, which we'll take care of Estefana tomorrow. So, the way this room is laid out, the bed is right here up against the bathroom wall. And I really like the way this is laid out. This is very different from the Hilton rooms that we're used to staying in. That's a king-size bed. There's a light on each side. They're very bright. The light fixtures have a power outlet. There's a telephone here on the end table with some notepads and a pen. We have a Holy Bible and the Book of Mormon. And then on the other side of the bed, we have an alarm clock. And it's a clock, radio, MP3 line in. And once again, we have the power outlet on the light fixture. And a little drawer, which is empty. Over here we have a couch, which is almost round. And this little table here, which you can use, I guess if you want to sit on the couch, you can put your laptop on the table or whatever. And I don't think this is, oh, this is a pull-out bed. This is a twin bed. I didn't expect that with the way this couch was shaped. But it's a nice little couch. There's a lamp over here in the corner, and this lamp also has a power out, 2 power outlets on it. Some artwork on the wall here. And then we have the desk area over here. And we have a chair that pulls out. And we have the desk that also pulls out. So you can really expand that into a lot of work area, or you can move that around, you can put it by the window, you can do whatever you want. There's another telephone on the desk. This is something having to do with wireless internet. There's a switch here and more outlets. Turns on the lamps over the desk. And then on this lamp here, there's another 2 outlets. Air conditioners, a wall unit in the corner here, controlled by that thermostat. We have a nice large window, and it's dark outside, so you can't see much, but that even lets more light in. So, and we have the small TV. It's like a bedroom TV, but it's big enough, and it swivels, so you can watch it from bed. Although I think we'd have to move it over a little bit to make it visible from the bed, or you can sit on the couch and watch it. We have 3 drawers here, which are. We have an extra pillow and pillowcase, and bedding for the pull-out couch. And then this closet. And inside the closet, we have a hairdryer, an ironing board, hangers, and the luggage rack. So the only thing I'm not seeing in here is the safe. So let's check out the bathroom. So this is the bathroom. And this is, once again, an unusual layout for a bathroom. As we walk in, we have the vanity area. And here we have Paul Mitchell Refreshing Citrus Facial Bar and Bath Bar, Makeup Removal Wipe, and Paul Mitchell Shampoo, Detangler, Conditioner, and Body Lotion. We have a sink with hopefully hot and cold running water. Box of Kleenex and a makeup mirror. It's one of those magnifying mirrors. You can see Carrie's pink iPhone X in it. And then above the sink, of course, we have the big mirror. Nice lighting in here. Fire sprinkler, so if the bathroom happens to catch fire, you get a shower, an extra shower. And they have this little half wall here that separates the toilet from the rest of the room. And this isn't a standard toilet, actually it's an American standard. We We have some hand towels and bath towels. And looks like another hand towel and washcloth. And a telephone, so you can do your business on the throne. We have a curved shower curtain rod and a light in the shower, so it's not dark in there when you close the shower curtain. It's a double curtain. It's got a vinyl curtain on the inside and cloth curtain on the outside. And the shower tub combo has this little seat here where I guess you can sit and soak your feet or whatever. Or if you just get tired from standing up in the shower, you can take a rest. A couple of soap dishes. And it's got the grab rails for people who have disabilities, I guess. And there's some discoloration, but that's not mold or, I mean, it's not mildew or mold or anything like that. It's just some defects in the grout. Everything is very clean. This is the shower head, and we're going to test that out, see how that works. Temperature control. Pull up to the shower, and that is a good spray coming out of that shower. Two different settings on the shower. So yeah, it's a pass in the shower. That works good. And if you want to take a bath, you can plug it up and fill it up with water. So that concludes the room review. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe, give us a thumbs up, share and follow us on social media, and be sure to join us for our next 504 road trip.